Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Are you interested in learning how to create animation videos or design animated characters in free, just like me? If you're eager to dive into this exciting world of animation, then stay tuned, because I've got some fantastic knowledge to share with you. Let's get started. Oh, wait a second. I worked really hard on making this video just for you. Can you please take 3 seconds to click the like button and write a quick comment? Thanks a lot, my friend. Step 1, getting started with Adobe Animation. All right, the first thing we need to do is get Adobe Animation fired up. Just open your browser and search for Adobe Animation Video Maker for YouTube videos. Click on the first link that pops up in your dashboard and click on that. Once you're in, hit the Make Animation button. Now, here we have to choose our characters. There are so many to pick from, but for today's video, we're going to create a scene between two girls. So for this, let's select this lovely girl. Then we have to choose background. You can either customize the background color or go with a transparent background. But for this video, I'm going to choose living room image. Let's choose that image. Don't forget about the size. Since we're making YouTube videos, go ahead and select the landscape size. Perfect. Now we're set to move on to the next step. Step 2, create a script. To create a script, let's go to the ChatGPT and ask it to write a dialogue between two girls, all about their weekend plans. ChatGPT always comes through with some fantastic conversations. So here, ChatGPT gives us a short conversation between Sarah and Emily. All right, now let's create voiceover. Step 3, generating voiceover. To generate voiceovers, I'm going to use the Play HT AI tool, but you can use any AI voice generator you prefer. Now, let's grab that dialogue from ChatGPT and paste it right here. For Sarah, I'm going with Annie's voice, and for Emily, we'll use Ariana's voice. Back to ChatGPT to copy Emily's lines and paste them in. Continue this process for all the dialogue, then hit Generate All Paragraphs and download it. Now go back to the Adobe dashboard and upload the audio. Just click Browse and upload it. And remember, if you want to add your own voiceovers, you can record them here. Let's upload Sarah's audio and give it a moment. Boom! It's ready. Let's give it a quick listen.
Hey Emily, any weekend plans?
Sounds perfect. Let's download this and move on. Now, we have to repeat this process for the other character. For Emily, I'm going to choose this girl and put her on the opposite side of Sarah. Upload her audio just like we did before, and there you have it. Our another scene is ready.
Not yet. What's on your mind?
Download that and keep on going until you've got all the scenes you need. Step 4, editing the video. And now, the final step, editing. For this, I like to use Canva, but you can use any editing software you're comfortable with. Now choose the video icon from the dashboard and upload all the scenes you created in Adobe Animation and arrange them in the order you want. You can add transitions between scenes to make everything flow smoothly. If you want to add some background music, just upload your audio and drop it in. All right, let's have a quick look to see how it's look.
Hey Emily, any weekend plans?
Not yet. What's on your mind?
How about a hike? Pine Ridge Trail.
Hiking sounds cool. When?
Saturday 9, picnic at the top.
Count me in. What should I bring?
Blanket, water, sunscreen, and your camera.
Got it. Can't wait.
So this is how we can create animation video with free AI tool. Share your thoughts, ideas, and any questions you might have. I love hearing from you guys. Thanks for joining me today, and if you want more awesome content like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next video.